All right, YouTube. Today's topic is going to be how to get anything positive in your life to happen. How to reach your dreams, how to reach your goals. I got a simple way of doing things. I've been doing things for a long time. It's gonna be hot in this car because I have to cut the air off and I have to roll the windows up because it's gonna mess up my sound quality. I think I need a mic. I need to have like a mic on me or something. I don't know. I do everything off my phone or whatever. But yeah, you can have mics on your phone. That ain't what I'm talking about. That ain't how you get stuff. Alright. That is how you get good sound quality, though. I'm teaching you all kind of things, right? But hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Before we get into this, click the link below to save 15% on Javi Coffee. If I edit it, I'm gonna put the picture right there. But yeah, click the link below if you wanna try that out. We're gonna talk about how to get anything positive, any dream to come off the ground. And this doesn't mean it's gonna happen immediately. It's gonna happen when the time is right, but it's gonna happen. You know, if you do these three things. Number one, let's get straight into it. Number one, pray. You have to pray about whatever it is. If it's a job you're trying to get or anything. I mean, honestly, YouTube. People are like, you pray about YouTube? Yeah, I pray about YouTube. You know what I'm saying? YouTube is a job. Well, you're not going to get a lot of money because you got to get a lot of views, you know, ad revenue only, to get money off the ads, you got to get millions of views. I know that. I'm not talking about the YouTube money. The YouTube money is going to be okay, you know, for most people. On average, you might get a couple $100 a month if you're really putting your foot into it. I mean, that's just for average, you know what I'm saying? I'm not talking about PewDiePie and whoever and all that. I ain't talking about that. I ain't talking about viral video people that just, if they sneeze on camera, they and they just go viral, right? I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about us, regular YouTubers. So, with that being said, where's the money? Why you pray about YouTube then? Hey man, you can still make money. You get sponsored and you're getting X amount. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna get 15%. If you buy that coffee, I get 15% of every sale that uses my code if you click the link below. And it's some good stuff. So that's rule number one, is pray. And that's just not even just trying to advertise my stuff. And just anything you try to do, like, you have to pray. You gotta have, secondly, believe. You gotta have faith. So after you make that prayer, you gotta believe that God is gonna make it happen for you. So, that's why I say positive things. You can be praying for non-positive things, right? Pray, believe, have faith. What does believe mean? It means have faith. You gotta have faith. You can't just, you know, just sit there and think things ain't gonna happen, because that's gonna take away from the next part. If you don't really believe and have faith, that's going to take away from part 3. Part 1 was pray. Part 2, take notes. Write it down. Every time you watch a Repetime Fitness video, I'm trying to teach you something, whether it's fitness or whatever, write it down. I've never made a video like this before, and I don't know why I haven't, but I've been thinking about it. But pray. And believe. Then do your part. That's part 3. Part 3 is you gotta do your part. All right, like let's say you don't have a job right now. Let's say you need one. You got hungry kids. You got, even if it's you yourself, you still need things. You want a car. You want food. You know what I'm saying? You want, you know, bills to be paid. You ain't got a job. You wondering how you gonna do it. You thinking about, you know, maybe you thinking about doing stupid things and stuff like that. A lot of people do stupid things because they say, yeah, this is how the cards are dealt. And I understand it, because I've been around. I've been around a lot of stuff in my life, right? Let's put it like that. I've been around a lot of stuff. So, you know, I understand the thoughts of thinking this is the only way and doing negative things. I understand that. But it's not true. No matter how much it seems true, no matter how much I thought it was true. You know what I'm saying? I didn't always have this mindset. You know what I'm saying? I always did, but it wasn't like circumstances can blind you from this mindset a little bit. You know, a lot. I'm talking about a little bit, right? So, do your part. Doing your part, let's say, like I said, you're looking for a job. You got to put the application in. In my way of looking for a job, putting the application. See, I got a good record. I've been at this job for almost 10 years that I got now. Been there 10 years. At my last job, I was there for like 5, 6. I had a job that I was at 5 or 6. I had something else in between, a few things in between. But my longest jobs, you know what I'm saying, I had one for 5 or 6 years. The other one was almost 10 years now. It's going on 10 years. I've been at my job for like 9.5 years. It's a good job. I can't talk about it, but I make good money. You know what I'm saying? You find a job, if you don't have the, what was that horn? If you don't have the experience that I have, most likely it's gonna be harder to find a good job. These days, jobs are begging to come in, so it's probably a little easier. That's why I always tell people, like, and I'm not even being negative when I say this, I don't give people money standing outside of the store at all, especially the ones that know where I live. You know what I'm saying? There's no reason to not have a job these days. You know what I'm saying? Jobs are begging almost everybody, even people with records, even people with no experience, because they're that desperate most places. You know what I'm saying? Fast food is paying double what they used to pay. So you should be all right. You know what I'm saying? So, but even if let's say this is 2 or 4 years ago, whatever, before the world flipped over, before these jobs got desperate, don't just put in one application. Okay, you really want to work at this job right here, so you put that application in, you put your foot in. You know what I'm saying? You make sure you do that application as best as possible. Have faith and believe that you're going to get that particular job. But don't put in that one application and just wait for them to call you or whatever, because you might not get that job, right? Your family and everybody, you or whoever, still got to eat. So with that being said, you put in a whole bunch of applications. What I call it is, like, if you're trying to hit a stop sign with a rock, don't do that. That's vandalism. But I'm just saying, this is something I said before a long time ago, before I even had a channel. And this is advice I gave myself. But if you're trying to hit a stop sign with a rock, trying to throw it and try to hit that stop sign from a good distance, and you got good aim, fairly, whatever, the odds are against you from hitting that stop sign, right? Unless you just right up on it and you cheating, right? Just like a 3-pointer. The odds are against you. But I'm doing the rock and the stop sign. I'm not going to do basketball because I have a better point. Because the second half of that point is this. I'm trying not to ramble. I always do that in videos. The second point is, okay, you're trying to hit that rock. You're trying to hit that sign with that rock. Most likely you're going to miss. You might hit it, you might miss. That's why people are so excited when they hit something. Because the odds, they know the odds are against them. So, let's say you got a handful of rocks. I'm gonna open these windows. Open these windows because I'm here now at the gym. You got a handful of rocks and you just chunk them all at once. Now what's your odds? You see what I'm saying? That's what I mean by putting a bunch of applications. Put in a bunch of applications. You gotta pray, you gotta believe, you gotta do your part. That's the same thing like in the gym. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do a bunch of sets and reps. You gotta pray, believe, and do your part. If you ain't doing your part in the gym, you're not getting no muscle. So we're gonna talk about fitness a little bit, because this is a fitness channel. But that's how you get the things that you want. People ask me all the time, how did I lose so much weight? How did I build muscle? How did I do this? How did I do that? It's because most people, and I'm sorry, this I'm not talking about you personally, because I hope it feels like I'm talking about you personally, but I'm not, because I don't know you. I don't really know who's watching me. I know I'm gonna get average 50 views, and I know there's 5 people who are really listening. So shout out to the 5. Shout out to the 5. Y'all know who y'all are. You know what I'm saying? Y'all really important to me. Click the link below, save some coffee, because I don't know if I'm gonna put the picture in there. But Javy Coffee, I should start bringing it with me. Y'all seen it, right? Y'all seen my coffee videos. Look at my coffee videos. Matter of fact, I'm gonna link below one of the recipes that I made with the coffee. You can mix it up how you want to, but I'm gonna link below how I made my protein shake. It was protein hot cold. It was chocolate protein mixed with coffee and almond milk, hot water, and I made some hot cocoa with the Javy Coffee. And I'm gonna link the link below to that video. I always forget to link the links below to the videos, but I never forget the link. Don't forget the link. If you ever get sponsored or ever trying to push something, don't ever forget to link the link below in the pinned comment and the description of what you're trying to push, whether it's a video or whatever. That's a pro tip. That's another rock that you're throwing. You know what I'm saying? You gotta throw the rocks. But I gotta go. I'm late. That's another thing. Oh man. I made a video called Time Management. And the reason why I am late is because I have not, as of lately, I've been late the last few times I made videos. And I have not, I've been either at the gym way too late or way too early than I usually be. Some of it turned out good, whatever. You know, I've met people, I've seen times where, you know, people don't really bother you at this time as much. I got to figure out a new gym time, because I'm thinking about not doing 2 o'clock in the morning for so many reasons, and it's mostly because the same people being there. It'd be only a handful of people, but they all throwing rocks at me. Right? But you gotta pray, believe, do your part. I'm gonna leave y'all with that note. Ending it here. Comment, like, subscribe, share. If you learned anything in this video, if you like this video for any reason, please watch the other videos. I got 3 years of videos on YouTube right now. I got playlists if you want to help me out with watch time. I got click the link below. That's the main thing. If you want to help me out, because I'm trying to do something. Like I said, YouTube, you're only gonna make, on average, unless you just blow up like B Loves Life or somebody, you're only gonna make X amount of money on average. Most people ain't gonna make no money. Most people, you know, I don't know. I mean, you gotta work hard for monetization, for one. But number 2, getting there ain't everything. You gotta get there. You gotta still work. A lot of people, I know people. I used to sell for sub a lot back in the days, and some people are still rocking with me. I rock with them, but you're gonna get a lot of people who ain't gonna never watch one of your videos, and if they do, they're gonna watch just to leave their comments so you can come watch theirs. So just keeping it real, you know what I'm saying? The people that I watch, I try to really watch them. You know what I'm saying? So, and I ain't always got time to watch every video, so I understand when people don't got time to watch every video. A lot of my videos are long anyways, but the longer ones, I try to make sure the longer ones, I'm not gonna like dupe you, you know what I'm saying? The longer ones, I make sure they're the most action-packed, and I recommend which ones it was. Like, I got a video called Reppin' Time Fitness. It ain't called Reppin' Time Fitness, but if you type in Reppin' Time Fitness and then anything afterwards, you'll get the video that you're looking for from me, if you think I'm a good influencer at all. Because I feel like I'm different than other influencers. They got too much agendas, and they got too many, I don't know. I don't know. I think they, I'm not dissing anybody, you know? I'm not dissing them, I'm just keeping it real. But I'm gonna tell you, me, my focus is on getting you the best results that I could possibly get you, for you and for me. Let me keep it real. That's the difference between everybody else. It's gonna help me a lot when you watch these videos. That's why I make sure when you watch these videos help you a lot. I lost 120 pounds. Kept my muscle, kept my strength pound for pound. I lost 120 naturally. A lot of these other fitness YouTubers, they're not natural. And they're lying to you. I say this a lot, but I have to say it again. If you've been following, it's easy to fool beginners. If you've been following, especially if it's been a long time, you've been following somebody's advice and it has not, and you know you've been really following the advice and it has not been working, that means that person either lied to you or you think you ain't following it right, or if it's too complicated, even if it does work, do not overcomplicate fitness. If you're overcomplicating it, if you have to do complicated things to get lean, you're gonna have to do those same complicated things the rest of your life to stay lean. I keep things simple. People don't like my way because it's simple. Just do this, just do that, and it'll work. Man, I love simple. Bruh. Comment, like, subscribe, share. Remember to pray, believe, and do your part. Click the link below. Ending it here again. I have to go because I gotta do 3 things. I gotta do 3 things. I gotta hit the gym, I gotta eat, and I gotta go to work. You gotta maintain your priorities. This also was a priority, so making a video. So 4 priorities in a short amount of time. If you think this video was good, just imagine the videos that I wasn't pressed for time. Scroll through my videos. I got 3 years of information for you. Comment, like, subscribe, share the video every way you can. Word of mouth, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube community tab. Tell a friend, call somebody in front of your job, in front of your church, in front of your school, your college, or wherever. Yo, this dude, Reptile Fitness, look at him, he talking about, you know what I'm saying? This is where I got this information from. You feel me? However you talk, I don't know if you talk like that. You know what I'm saying? But comment, like, subscribe, share, all about your boy. Peace.